Hey, welcome back everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to be at my parents' farm. They do organic produce and sell locally here in Virginia. Mostly at the farmers market and some local restaurants. But anyways, today we're going to work on their greenhouse. It needs a new cover, which is a heavy mill plastic. I forget what mill it is, maybe 30 mil plastic, something like that. But yeah, so today we're going to put that 30 mil plastic on the greenhouse. So we're going to enjoy a day mostly off of reselling. So to be completely fair and honest, I did drop off some packages this morning, and I did stop by one store on my way here. This is a beautiful old mill that has been restored. So if you ever get a chance, check out White's Mill. It is a beautiful thing. We're gonna go ahead and get that ready for the growing season this year. Hopefully the greenhouse will be in full swing in about 2 weeks. So as of this recording, I think today is March the 14th or something like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. Be right back. There's a big tree that lives inside this little greenhouse hut. But then this is the big greenhouse. We just replaced the plastic on this today. So it's a 100-foot greenhouse. Goes from there to there. Ah, there's the other one.